The Supreme Court has stayed the Karnataka High Court's order that quashed the 21,000 crore rupee GST show cause notice that was issued to GamesKraft. The government's GST enforcement agency had earlier claimed that GamesKraft had actually offered betting and gambling services worth 77,000 crore rupees between 2017 and June of 2022, leading to the show cause. Ashmit joins us now with more details. Ashmit, on the face of it, it certainly is a setback for GamesKraft. Take us through what the Supreme Court has observed today and what we can now expect over the next few days.
Right, so setback coming in for online gaming company GamesKraft. The Karnataka High Court order, which was in their favour in the dispute with the GST authorities, has now been stayed by the Apex Court. Keep in mind that GamesKraft is in receipt of a GST show cause notice seeking a payout of 21,000 crore rupees. The GST authorities are arguing that, look, you took as much as 77,000 crore rupees of bet money between 2017 and 2022, and that you're liable to pay 28% GST, and that adds up to 21,000 crore rupees. Now, importantly, the centre challenged this Karnataka High Court order, which had quashed their notice before the top court, and here they've argued that, look, this matter has been contested across very many high courts, that as many as 35 show cause notices are in the works. But importantly, they argued that there are existing Supreme Court rulings that have held in their favour, in the centre's favour, and therefore the Karnataka High Court order is not sustainable, cannot be permitted to proceed. So on that count, the prayer that they had sought was for a stay of the Karnataka High Court order. Importantly, the Supreme Court has, number one, allowed that stay. Number two, has observed that there is enough merit in this case that warrants further consideration by the top court. And importantly, the Chief Justice of India himself observed that he does not want for this particular ruling by the Karnataka High Court to become precedent for other high courts, and that is an important consideration. Importantly, the Supreme Court, as of right now, has not granted any restraint on the GST authorities from initiating recovery proceedings, so that for the GamesKraft will remain a question mark. But for now, notice has been issued. The company has to come back and file its reply within 3 weeks' time, and that's when we'll see further arguments and adjudication in this case.
Many thanks for joining us. This is going to be something that not just GamesKraft, but the entire online gaming sector is going to be watching very closely. Now, the Supreme Court has granted